Are you looking for a fried green tomato recipe without the fried part? Good news! I've got a delicious recipe for oven-baked fried green tomatoes with a hot sauce aioli. You're watching Sweet Cayenne, and I'm Whitney, here to help you find delicious recipes made with seasonal, high-quality ingredients. You'll need 3 tomatoes sliced into quarter-inch thick pieces. You'll start by adding a 1/3 cup of yellow cornmeal, which is a traditional ingredient in fried green tomatoes. Next, add a 1/2 cup of white all-purpose flour, followed by 1 1/4 cup of panko breadcrumbs. And last, you'll add 2 tablespoons of your favorite Creole seasoning blend. Mix it all together with a spoon until it's well incorporated. In a second bowl, beat together 1 large egg with a 1/2 cup of low-fat buttermilk for your batter. You'll want to have a fork in the buttermilk egg mixture to dip the tomato in that until it's thoroughly coated. Then transfer the tomato over to the breadcrumb mixture and use a spoon to evenly distribute breadcrumbs all over both sides of the tomato. Place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake the tomatoes at 375 for 15 minutes, flip them over, and then bake 15 minutes more until they're golden brown and crunchy. For a fun garnish, I like to use some fresh dill and edible flowers like marigolds. You can serve these with a dollop of pimento cheese and a sliced jalapeno on top. Or you can make my easy recipe for hot sauce aioli to serve them on a big platter. I really hope you get a chance to try this oven-baked fried green tomato recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll get notifications about every new recipe I post. In the meantime, watch this video for my Red Lobster copycat Cheddar Bay biscuits. I know you're gonna love these.